带风暴奥菲利亚席卷美国东岸，带来超强降雨，北卡罗来纳州首当其冲，路面淹水，电线爆炸。几乎达到飓风等级的狂风刮倒大树，包括北卡、维吉尼亚和马里兰州都宣布紧急状态，300多万人笼罩在洪水警报范围。
You've got several flood watches and even some flash flood warnings in Raleigh and then off towards the east. In these locations, they've already picked up about 2 to 3 inches of rain. Now you're going to get an additional 1 to 2 inches on top of that.
超过91公分的风暴潮侵袭北卡，部分道路被迫关闭，搜索灯照亮海面。海岸防卫队从一艘受困的双体船救出2大3小。
Oh, perfect.
奥菲利亚的雨带绵延数百公里，维吉尼亚州商家忧心忡忡，生怕风暴潮会造成海水倒灌。
The river's going to swell. It's going to rain all night. So when it swells up, high tide, that's going to back up. So yeah, we'll probably get it to the door.
强风豪雨下，已经有数万人停电。当局呼吁民众没事别出门。
Right now, as you can see, it's pretty nasty out. So if you don't have to be on the roads, then stay home. For those individuals who need to be on the roads, however, exercise caution while driving. Some of our lights might experience outages.
奥菲利亚预料将携带每小时64到112公里的风速，继续横扫东岸，恐怕造成更多灾情。《民事新闻》做报道。